Team, I did not expect to be doing an unboxing tonight, but this laptop arrived almost 5 days early and I just couldn't wait. In front of me is the most ridiculously epic, crazy laptop of all time, honestly. As a 15-inch laptop, it is the Bugatti of laptops. It is the Ferrari of laptops. It is the $4,000 Razer Blade Studio Edition laptop. That's the one with the new Quadro 5000 graphics. It's got the 32 gig of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD. I believe it's got a touch screen. It's got the OLED, 15-inch form factor. We are going to have a lot of fun with this. It is an absolute beast. I have no clue why I've bought it, but I thought that you guys might get a lot out of seeing the unboxing. Over the next 2 weeks, I'm going to post a ton of content. Now, before I unbox it, I just want to tell you, literally guys, the moment I received the email from Razer that this laptop was out, I was like, yep, I'm getting it. I know that you guys are going to get a lot out of watching, the unboxing and all the, the reviews that I'm going to do on the laptop, and I'm certainly really excited about it too. So let's get into it. Let's start the unboxing. So we got our usual mail box here. So I want to be really careful with this one because this is not a cheap laptop. Okay, so the seal's at this end. Now, I just wanted to make mention of something as well. I am reading all the comments that people are saying, and I have been so overwhelmed by what you guys have been leaving. It makes it so enjoyable for me to create content for you guys, hearing these comments that you've been leaving and that you guys are enjoying it. So really appreciate that, and always any feedback that you guys have, I am reading it. I am trying to improve. So let's flip it open. Now, obviously, I've talked a lot about Razer's quality control, and I am hoping that this laptop is going to change that for me. I'm hoping that for a $4,000 laptop that Razer can get it right. So we're going to pull it out. Okay. Let's be very careful. Alrighty. Here's the inner box. Let's get this going. Obviously, I purchased it directly from Razer. Oh, that's helpful. So I purchased this directly from Razer. I'm not sure if any stores have it right now. Pretty impressed by how quick it came. Seriously, I think I purchased it last Thursday or Friday, and it's here on a Monday. All right, let's take a look. We got the third box. Okay, the power brick. We'll take a look at that in a second. Ooh, this is a little different. I don't remember either of my Mercury White Razer Blades coming in a box that was this kind of color here. So we shall see. Over the next week, I am going to be comparing it to a lot of other laptops. All right, so it's quite a heavy box. I got warned that it was a little bit heavier than the Razer Blade Advance, and it certainly feels that way. So let's take a look. All right, looks nice. Honestly, it looks exactly like the Razer Blade Advance so far. Nothing too different here. Right, here's the laptop. We've got, this is the usual Razer stickers and things like that, I would presume. Let's have since this is an unboxing, we may as well take a look at them. So what do we have here? We got a cloth to clean it. We got some Razer stickers. And yeah, just the usual manuals and stuff that no one probably reads. And I'm going to put this box down. Take a look at the power. Sorry. All right, let's take a look at the power cable. Okay. Oh, it's a way of actually doing it. There we go. Okay. So I'm not seeing any difference in this power brick between this one and the other one. 230 watts is what it says. So I'll just put this to the side for now. All right, let's have a look. And I'm going to bring it right close to the mic so you can hear that glorious plastic as I take it off. I must admit, they don't wrap them up as nicely in the plastic as they do with the apples. Let's have a look. So, here it is. It feels honestly exactly like the Razer Blade 15, the advanced model, the one that I had in, the Mercury White with the 240 Hertz screen and the GeForce 2070 Max Q. So here is an SSD card, so that is definitely different. I believe the other Razer also only had 2 USB A ports, and now I'm seeing this one of course has 3, so I see one here. They're also black, which is quite nice. Actually, I do like the black. Let's open it up. Oh, of course we've got the nice keyboard protector. We've still got the keyboard with the function key here, which has always been an annoyance for me. I am quite surprised that they went with the 6-core CPU, not the 8. My guess is it's because of cooling. So let's see if it's got any battery power. Does not look like it's powered up at all. So we've got the black screen, and I was a little bit worried. I thought the silver would look a lot nicer, but you know, it's not too bad with the black, so the black bezel compared to the nice Mercury White on the other one. Give me a sec. I'm going to plug in the power. All right, so the power is plugged in. Let's boot it up. So I see the keyboard lights have come on, so that's a good start. Yeah, so I'm very interested to try this 4K touchscreen. I must admit that was one of the things that got me most excited about the laptop. I felt that in my personal experience, the 240 Hertz screen, it was a little bit dim. I just wish it went up to, you know, 330 nits of brightness or something like that. You know, I'm hoping that obviously with this one that it's going to be a lot brighter. So let's see. So we've got it booting up, starting Windows services, obviously. Let's see, hopefully it's not too long and I can show you guys a little bit of what the computer's like. Let's try the keyboard. So it's got the older style keyboard. I know they just came out with the new optical keyboard. This one doesn't have it. I did ask the assistant one of the sales reps, and they did mention that, but I was hoping that it wasn't true. But yeah, they do have a little bit of the older style keyboard, which is unfortunate. That would have been nice to have in a $4,000 laptop, the better keyboard. So I think I'll end the video there, guys. You know, I do plan to do a lot of content on this laptop over the next 2 weeks, and I do need your help. This is the first Quadro graphics card that I've tested in a laptop. So if you know some good benchmarks to run, please leave them in the comments below. I do actually plan to test audio latency. I've had a lot of requests for that, so I certainly will do that. Now, I do plan to compare this laptop with the similar priced, you know, Aero 17 with the fully upgrade with the 32 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. I think that is a nice alternative for a laptop like this. And I will compare it with the cheaper alternatives such as the Aero 15 with the OLED screen. And I'll also draw conclusions of this laptop compared with the Razer Blade 15, the advanced model, because that might be a nice alternative for people too. So let's see if this laptop is that much better. You know, certainly the price is really hefty. Anyway, guys, this was a super quick unboxing. I just wanted to share this laptop with you as soon as I could. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up button, click that big red subscribe button. Till next time, I'll catch you later.